controlled with IC555 timer. So basically, IC555 timer is operated in the ASTM mode, which is basically used for producing PWM. So PWM are pulse width modulation with varying widths, which creates signals with off and on, which is ones and zeros, which creates a signal which is used for running this system here. So basically we have used IC555 timer, which is going to generate PWM wave, and we use MOSFET. MOSFET is acting as a switch here, which is going to control the voltage. So basically PWM wave generates on and off voltage. So these voltage variation is controlled by the MOSFET, and we have a potentiometer which is going to help us in varying the speed, and this is going to control the voltage which is going to be given here, and we also have battery for the power supply, and a PNA which is going to reduce the reverse biasing voltage, and we have some capacitors and resistance which is going to control the voltage that we are going to give to these motors, and motors basically convert these PWM waves into a voltage, and these voltages are given into motor, and these motors runs our wheels, and basically our system is going to run using the PWM waves which are given to IC. So here you can basically see the speed controlled here, and here we can decrease the speed. So this is the basic circuit here, and you can see that the car-like structure has been run, and so basically we are using PWM as a control for the motor, and this is power efficient, and for the future which is going to be moved by renewable sources and power savings, can be an option which minimizes the power usage, and power wastage can be controlled using this, and I hope this can be helpful for the future. Thank you.